Now, if you're looking at homes and you're looking to purchase, new construction is completely different than a resale home. For instance, the new construction home may not have everything that a resale does. Think about the home that you're living in. Certain things are already there. Outlets, ceiling fans, gutters, not all of these things are going to come standard with a new construction home. So you want to look at how many outlets, how many lights, how many additional lights can you add. Look at your lot size. I always say this, you can't change your lot. So that is probably one of the most important things that you look at when buying new construction. How deep is your backyard? Because you want to know, are there any building restriction lines? Are you able to put a pool? Show them to me. Also ask if it's in an area that is building a lot, ask them what's going to be built behind if you see trees. Not all trees are preserved and are protected.